I'm making it go fast.
That was in the camera. Welcome back to Broken Broke Garage. We're back on the race lawnmower, working on it. We gotta get this front end fixed because it kinda, I don't even know, split in half. Looks like a banana split. But anyway, we're gonna get that off. I got another one that we went and picked up today in the back of the Mustang. Sitting back there. So we're gonna get that one bolted up. And we might look for a way to stiffen it and do a few other things to this. Who knows where this will take us. But it's only holding on by 5 bolts.
5 bolts.
1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and a couple cotter pins. So we'll get this done and then get back to you guys. With a 14mm, 1/2 inch wrench, you can pretty much rebuild this thing. What we were saying. Over here we got the new front end. Put it in the vise because it has one of these in it, Teflon thing, but it's bigger on this one for some reason than that one. So we took the original one out, and then we're gonna try to put it in this one. But yeah, where's the damage? That's the damage on this thing. It's pretty.
Fucking top's cracked.
All cracked up. It's ready to break on me. But yeah, I'll probably just take the axles off, scrap the rest, I guess. The front things. And then yeah, so let's get this all this new one put into this one, or the new old one put into the new old thing. You know what I'm trying to say. And then we get it thrown on to the race mower. Good old Dodge over there flooring it. He wants to race the lawnmower. New front end is on. We don't know how we're gonna stiffen it yet, but this thing is mobile again. Taking the PTO thing for the deck off now. A little bit of weight reduction. Should give us an extra quarter. Sorry, my GoPro's junk, but yeah, it should give us an extra quarter second on the track. Probably wind up taking this thing off here soon too. Get that out of the way in case we crash it. Don't want to get stuck by it. But I'm gonna get some gas in it here soon, and we're gonna try to take it for a spin. We might have got the key fixed, so we might not have to start it for a screwdriver no more. I put some gas in the bad boy. Got it back on the ground. Got the new front end on it. Gonna go take it for a spin. I'll show you guys how we've been starting this. Should be fixing this problem in the next video. Should be nice and good after this. Tractor's coming along. I want to get this project done, and then we got another project we've been talking about, which has to do with a motorcycle engine, so, but not a lawnmower. I think it'd just be fun. Alright, so you gotta put your parking brake on. Take your handy dandy screwdriver, turn the throttle up, and then it might be that thing was messing up last time, you know? Seat was messing up last time. Well, get it. still whips. Hopefully we still. Oh yeah, we still recording. Cool. Alright, so yeah, so what we did today was just pretty much the front end swap. Disconnected all that stupid stuff. Next video we might try to see if we can get it to go a little bit faster. And who knows what else. So stay tuned for more. We'll be back.